geopolitics has only increased, Samir. I would love to know. For the longest time, we said Russia, Ukraine, now it's going, the world has learned to live with it. Then something else, now a heightened Israel-Iran issue as well. Is that a concern in your mind for markets?
So it may be a concern, but why should it be a concern only for Indians or Indian market? So I'm only driven by the fact that gold is not up a lot, that oil is actually not up a lot. I mean, it was down so much that if it goes up 6-8% is part of life. And the stock markets are not down anywhere. So, I mean, they're not down, or maybe they're up actually. In US, it's up month to date. And of course, China is up. So why are we taking it as if it is our sort of duty to reflect that? Although big picture, you can say it's a concern if things go out of control, but why only for the Indian market? So one reason could be that India had generally done well. But as of now, year to date, India has not done anything great, at least at the index level. Or if I look at the Nifty, it is up 15% in rupee terms, and the year is like 2-3 months, so you can annualize it and make it 18%. And generally, our longer term returns of index would have been, say, 14%, 14.5, 15%. So it's up 3% more than what it should be. What's the big deal in that? Even if you look at 3-year numbers, even if you look at 5-6-year numbers, the real story is that the small caps and a part of the mid caps have done very well, and it's that which is responsible for us all feeling that the market is rocking beyond limits. Just to give you some perspective, in the calendar years 2004, 5, 6, and 7, for 4 consecutive years, the annualized returns of the NSE index or NSE 500 index or whatever was some 45% per annum for 4 years. That is called a bull run. Here, a small part of small and mid cap stocks going up is a good bull run, but it is not, I don't think it is some wild thing that is happening.
Okay. So, is Samir Arora constructive on Indian equities from where we are right now?
Yes. We are constructive because my thing is, number one is that it is very difficult to preempt these global issues. So if somebody says, oh, what happens if tomorrow Iran comes in or these Israel guys go and again attack Iran or something happens, then we have to react. But preempting these global issues, for example, oh, China is very aggressive in Taiwan, let's say, not today, but I think in general. What am I supposed to do about it? Because they may be only talking, saber rattling, never do anything, these things. For example, if on 21st February or whatever the date was of 2022, you had said that Russia will be fighting with Ukraine, you would have, no, these things don't happen normally. There is this, there is NATO, there is UN, there is, you blacklist these guys, you sanction them, nothing happens. So these things are very difficult to say. And even there, when I actually got negative and raised 20% cash for 2 reasons in 2022, first reason was my correct view that the interest rates will be hiked a lot. For whatever reason, I can remind you, I said it even in Jan-Feb of that time, and they were raised a lot. And then the war happened, and we raised 20% cash, and the market did not fall, I think, even 1% after that. Maybe it went up 3-5% for the rest of the year. So this raising of cash is a very difficult thing, which is the end result of whatever this analysis we are doing. And today I feel that if US market is very good and the Chinese market is very good, we may underperform for some time, do this, that, but we are not really falling to make my normal stance and my normal actions very, negative.